In this video, I will show you how you can enable full screen photo for caller ID on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just open the phone app and from here just go to the contact section. Now in the contact section, just select a contact number for which you want to set a full screen photo for the caller ID. For an example, I'll select this one, then tap on the info icon over here. Now just tap on the profile icon available over here. Now from here you can select any of the options over here to set it as a full screen photo for the caller ID. You can select any of the colors available over here. You can also create a Galaxy avatar for the contact. You can select any of the stickers available over here. You can use Creative Studio to create a custom photo for the caller ID. And also you can select a photo from the gallery app. For example, I'll go to the gallery section and I'll select a photo from here. And from this pop-up menu over here, make sure you select the option for profile card. After you select this option, then tap on Done. As you can see, if you swipe to the left side, you will find the caller ID from here. You can adjust the photo to however you want. And also you can change the font of the caller ID just like that. If you want to customize the photo which you have selected, just tap on Style and you can use Galaxy AI to customize the photo which we have selected. As you can see, we have a lot of art styles available over here. I'll select any of the options available, then tap on Generate, and it will customize the photo like that. Now once you're done customizing the photo, then tap on Apply. Now you can crop into the photo like that. Now after that, just tap on Done. As you can see, we have successfully set a full screen photo for the caller ID for the selected contact. If you want to set a photo or a video for all incoming calls on your phone, then in that case, just go to your home screen and open the phone app. And in the phone app, just tap on the three dots over here. Then go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Call Backgrounds. Now just select one of your SIM cards. For an example, I'll select SIM1, then tap on Background. Now you can select any background from the featured ones available over here, or you can tap on Gallery and you can select a photo or video from the Gallery app. For an example, I'll select this video. Now after you do that, then just tap on Set Call Background. Now whenever you receive an incoming call on your phone, this video will play as the full screen photo for the caller ID on your phone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.